If you want to text with multiple people in one chat, here's how to turn on group messaging on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. After that, search for Messages and once you see it, tap on it. Here, scroll again until you see group messaging and make sure it's turned on. And if you don't see the option, it's usually because your carrier doesn't support it or iMessage is being used for group chats instead. Now open the Messages app and tap on the compose icon at the top right corner. Here, enter two or more contacts. Then type your message and tap send. You've just created a group chat, and that's all. With group messaging on, you can stay connected with friends, family, or co workers all in one conversation. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.